You now working your videos, you make sure you state that it's Stellar Electrical, don't it?
Don't worry, we'll take a wee video of your work after.
Where's your box there?
That's it there.
Look at them views.
Right.
Look at that sitting in the office.
It's Dublin.
Just point that roof there.
Just doing this wee roof today. It's going on the back. So we're just going to have to go up and over. Don't forget to unhook that.
No, don't know really.
Yes, there.
So we're going to be doing this today. This roof. 10 Jankos going on this roof. So we'll get set up here and then we'll get back to these once we get a few hooks in here. Get our harnesses and all hooked in. Just need 2 hands to do that.
Alright, I'm just showing you a wee tip here on knocking the tiles up. So we use this. Show them it there, Patrick. We'll probably get it on, need a new bit of wood soon. So knock that tile up, Patrick. Do you see how easy it is? See, that's easy to knock up. It spreads the weight a wee bit so you don't break the tile using your hammer or your foot. And you just do that the whole way along, and then we'll do the top row here. That's it. We'll get these brackets on, and then we'll get the cables in, and that's just ready for panels. So we're just going to do a wee take here, putting one of the brackets in there. Let Patrick fire away there. And we put a wee packer on this one. And get the bracket in. No pressure, Patrick. Perfect. 2 screws, always 2 screws. Yep. See there. That's it. And then when you pull your tile down, go ahead. Sits nice and flat. That's it, perfect. And do that with all of them. Over here, there's doors.
I'll talk first.
Right, so just doing a wee take here, putting these DC cables in here. So I try to find a bit there that can go into the loft there. So Patrick, take that camera there and I'll stick it in. Get these cables up down at the van. We just tuck them in there. You see them, Killian? Killian? He mustn't be there. Put a wee bit of conduit around it to protect the cable. So that's it. And any access, just push it into the loft. And I'll take my grinder. use a grinder too to cut them, or the brackets. Not too bad, and if it sits up a wee bit, take a wee bit of silicone. I'll stick an odd tube in it. I'll put more in it. Just pump a wee bit of silicone around there if you can't get it the whole way down because of the cables. So that's it. This is what it looks like. Obviously putting a wee bit of silicone on it. It's not too bad, that one. So for this one, the panels are going to be coming up and over. So I'll just go down, lift the panels up. Alright, just doing this last take on this video here. So I have 5 kilowatt Give Energy inverter and 5 kilowatt battery. I think it's just over 4 kilowatt of solar going on it. But this works are near finished there. But we have finished already, so we're going to head on, so we are. So that's it. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.